In the video, creator breaks down a recent Supreme Court decision that expands police authority to request identification from passengers during a traffic stop. The video opens by outlining the case that led to the ruling, involving a state trooper who stopped a vehicle and demanded identification from everyone inside. According to the court, the officer's actions were legally justified. The core message of the video focuses on the troubling implications of this decision. The narrator expresses clear frustration with the idea that passengers who may have done nothing wrong can be compelled to identify themselves simply for being present in a stopped vehicle. This concern is heightened by the fact that the stop in question was based on a broad description rather than specific, individualized suspicion. The video argues that such a standard places an unfair burden on innocent people and erodes the principle that police interactions should be based on probable cause. What makes this video particularly compelling is how relatable the issue is. Many viewers can imagine themselves as passengers suddenly drawn into a law enforcement encounter through no fault of their own. The narrator's candid and emotional delivery helps frame the ruling not as an abstract legal matter, but as a real-world issue that directly affects everyday people and their expectation of privacy. Overall, the video succeeds in sparking an important conversation about the balance between public safety and individual rights. While additional legal context or contrasting viewpoints could strengthen the analysis, the video effectively highlights a significant Supreme Court ruling and its potential consequences. It's a thought-provoking watch for anyone interested in constitutional law, civil liberties, or the evolving scope of police authority in daily life.
This case that this sergeant is talking about came from a state trooper asking for identification from a bus full of people. And the Supreme Court found that it was warranted, that they can ask for identification.
So even all those innocent people that were just there along for the ride, they have to go through all this hassle, give out the names, the date of birth, the social security, just because somebody else did something? We all have to pay for it? I mean, does that seem right? Now, if you're looking for a person driving the same type of car that was being looked for a crime he committed, it was driving a car that's similar to this one, you know, a red Civic, we're looking for that type of car, you know, there's a wanted, and then you stop him for that car, then they go, all right, we stop somebody driving that same, I'm looking for somebody that's driving the same type of car, he's being looked for, you know, he committed a crime, all right, I will understand that, but asking me all this because he was speeding, I mean, it doesn't go together, it makes no sense.